Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to write your freelance proposals with ChatGPT. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so in this video I'm not going to be using ChatGPT. However, I'm going to tell you guys a better alternative. So just go to your iOS App Store or Google Play Store on your Android device and just search for Poe like this. And then just download this application right here. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to open it up from here. Alright, so once you have done that, you just have to click on official boards and click on see all. And here you can just type in freelance. So you just have to use Freelance Pro, and then you can just tell it to write a freelance proposal for you. So in this case, I'm just going to tell it to write a random freelance proposal. So as you can see guys, it has written a very professional freelance proposal for me. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.